Most AI platforms ask for your credit card as soon as you try to log in with them. But in this video today, I'm going to show you 5 platforms that are absolutely powerful and you can get started with them for free. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video and get started with the list. So first off on the list, we have OpenRouter, which is a unified interface for LLMs. Which means that it's just like the Netflix for large language models, and you can pretty much get any model right here, and they have a free tier. It is pretty simple to sign up with it. And once you sign up, you can just go to your profile or your workspace, or you can search for any model and get its API. So let's say I want to go with a very specific model, which is Quen 3.7 Max, which just came out. So I'm just going to go to this page right over here, and I'm going to go to API and create an API key. As simple as that. Now, once I create an API key, as you can see, I have already some API keys right over here. You can just create a new key, name it whatever you want to. Maybe let's go ahead and say this is for Quen. So let's name it 3.7 there. That's it. And let's create it. As long as you use it within the rate limits, you can use it as much as possible. And you can always go to your profile to check the activity and also the usage of your API key. Now, the second tool on the list is Google AI Studio. And I don't know why not many people talk about it, but Google AI Studio is a beast in itself. They have a build mode where you can create apps, pretty much any application, whether it's mobile application or a web app, right here in popular stacks like Next.js and even in MERN stack. And you also have the playground where you can just go ahead and prompt. You can use their voice mode and also upload images. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you can create a simple app. So let's just go and click on this suggestion here, build an Android app. And here I'm just going to go ahead and say it is going to be a health tracker. And as soon as you click build, it's going to start building that mobile application. And within a couple of minutes, you will have your results. As you can see, we have the preview mode right over here, and we can also add database and authentication features to it. As well as we have the Gemini 3.1 Pro preview working. And as you can see, we have Gemini 3.1 Pro preview working right over here. And within 32 seconds, we have the first look of our application. This is really good. So this is the design. So it gave me a couple of designs. So this is the geometric balance. We have natural tones, sleek interface, vibrant, and clean. I'm going to go with this clean one. So let's select this design. And as soon as you select the design, it's going to create the whole app. Now you know why I said that this is an absolute beast in itself, because it's going to design everything for you. It's going to build it, and you can also integrate databases and stuff to it. Now let's wait for it to build everything for you. As you can see, it's creating everything, and then we can see the results. So there you go. We have the results. This is the first outcome. So it has completed the core implementation for health tracker mobile application. And here is the summary. Offline first persistence, which means that the database is going to be there. And then we have the health theme, we have dashboard, and we have visual identity. So we can pretty much go ahead and install this on a device as well. And it works just like an Android phone. I can open up my application and I can add steps to it. I can add glasses of water and also my activity minutes, also the sleep hours. So I can update that. Let's say I slept for around 8 hours. Let's save that. And this works. So that's why I was telling you guys that it is an absolute beast. And I hope this demo proved it. Now let's jump to the next one on the list. And the third tool that I'm going to be talking about is Make.com. Make.com is the easiest no-code automation platform for you guys to get started with. And all of these automations, I built all of these for free. Although there is a rate limiting to it, but you can pretty much go ahead and start with automations like integration of Instagram or even adding new emails to Google Sheets and spreadsheets. Just like this automation right over here. And this is one of the examples of automations you can build with it. So it's going to watch Instagram, and once it gets a video or a photo, it's going to download that from Instagram and send it to one of my Telegram bots. So you can pretty much automate your tasks and code jobs using platforms like these, and that too for free. As you can see, we still have 1,000 credits left. They give you 1,000 credits every month for free, which is quite generous. So this was the third platform, and I want you guys to go ahead and try it out, and do let me know in the comments below if you encounter any errors during using Make.com, because I've been building automations for the last 5 years, and I can help you guys with that. Now, let's jump to the next platform, which is Pinokio. Now, Pinokio is just like OpenRouter, but OpenRouter was something where you can get LLM API keys. While with Pinokio, you can install models directly into your computer with just one click. So you can just click on install Pinokio, and this should install Pinokio, which is a simple application. And then you get a list of different models right over here. Stable Audio 3, Drama Box, you have Vox CPM, then we have all of these models. We also have World Mirror 2.0, which is a really good model. It is just like that Gemini model, which is built for making world scenarios or making reality games. So this is where you can get any model locally in a computer and run it inside Pinocchio with just one click. And if you want to work with large language models locally on a computer, I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead with Pinocchio. It's just like Comfy UI. Then the last on the list is NotebookLM. Now, NotebookLM by Google is just mind blowing. You can create a new notebook, which is pretty simple. And here you can drop any file, a website URL, or something from your drive, and you can create podcasts through it. Let's go ahead and try an example. So there you go. I pasted in one of my Hermes agent videos from my channel, and let's insert that. So we have that video right over here. Now it's going to start working on it. It's going to get the transcription and the summary of what this video is going to be about, and we can ask questions or create something with it. Now that we have the URL, we can go ahead and ask it questions like, what should the podcast title and structure be? And questions about Hermes Agent, how its learning loop works, how everything works. And as you can see right over here, it's generating audio overview, audio overviews, slide deck, video overviews, mind maps, reports, flashcards, even quiz and infographics. And at the end, data table. So these are all the tools that you can use, and that too for free. You can get started with NotebookLM, and I would highly encourage you guys to go ahead and try out these hidden gems, because not many people talk about these hidden gems, and they are absolutely powerful. With that said, I want to wrap this video up. I hope I could show you guys how powerful these 5 hidden gems are and how to utilize them efficiently. With that said, let's wrap this video up. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.